Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Many people believe that you must live in the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, or Australia to become fluent in English. But is that really true? The answer is no. Thousands of people around the world speak excellent English without ever living in an English-speaking country. The difference is not where they live. The difference is how they learn. In today's lesson, I'll show you how you can improve your English and become fluent, even if you never leave your country. Let's get started. The biggest myth. One of the biggest myths about learning English is that moving abroad automatically makes you fluent. Living in another country can certainly help, but it is not magic. Many people live abroad for years and still struggle to communicate because they don't practice consistently. On the other hand, many learners become fluent from their own homes by practicing every day. Fluency comes from daily exposure and regular practice, not from your location. Create an English environment at home. Your home can become your English classroom. Change your phone language to English. Change your computer settings to English. Read menus, notifications, and messages in English. At first, it may seem difficult, but after a few weeks, many common words will become familiar. Small changes like these help your brain think in English every day. Watch English every day. One of the easiest ways to improve your English is by watching English content. Watch YouTube videos. Watch documentaries. Watch TV shows. Watch movies. Choose content that matches your level. If you're a beginner, use English subtitles. Avoid translating every sentence. Instead, focus on understanding the general meaning. The more you watch, the easier English becomes. Listen whenever you can. Listening practice doesn't have to happen only while studying. Listen while walking. Listen while cooking. Listen while cleaning your room. Listen while exercising. Every minute of listening helps your brain become familiar with English pronunciation and rhythm. Even if you don't understand everything, your listening skills will improve over time. Read something every day. Reading is another powerful habit. Read children's stories. Read simple news articles. Read short conversations. Read graded readers. Read for 10 or 15 minutes every day. Don't stop for every new word. Try to understand the sentence from the context. This makes reading more enjoyable and helps you learn naturally. Speak even if you're alone. Many learners say, "I have nobody to practice with." That's not a problem. You can practice alone. Describe what you see. Talk about your plans. Explain your daily routine. Ask yourself questions and answer them in English. The important thing is to use your voice. Speaking regularly builds confidence. Use the shadowing technique. Shadowing is one of the best ways to improve pronunciation. Choose a short audio. Listen carefully. Repeat immediately after the speaker. Soon you'll notice that your speech becomes smoother and more natural. Copy the rhythm. Think in English. Copy the intonation. Many learners translate every sentence from their native language. This slows down communication. Instead, try thinking directly in English. Start with simple thoughts. I'm hungry. It's sunny today. I need to study. I want some coffee. As your vocabulary grows, your thoughts will become longer and more natural. Keep a daily English journal. Every evening, write a few sentences about your day. For example, today I woke up early. I worked for several hours. Then I studied English. I watched an interesting video. Tomorrow I want to practice speaking again. This habit improves grammar, vocabulary, and writing skills at the same time. Don't fear mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Nobody speaks perfectly on the first day. Every mistake teaches you something new. Don't wait until you're perfect. Start speaking now. Confidence comes through practice. The more you practice, the better you become. Stay consistent. Some learners study for 5 hours one day and then stop for a week. This doesn't work. It's much better to study for 30 minutes every day. Consistency creates progress. Small daily actions lead to big results. Remember, success comes from what you do every day, not from what you do once. A simple daily routine. Here's a simple routine you can follow. 10 minutes listening. 10 minutes reading. 10 minutes learning vocabulary. 10 minutes speaking. 10 minutes writing. Just 50 minutes every day can completely change your English over time. Final message. You don't need to move abroad to learn English. You don't need expensive courses. You don't need perfect conditions. You only need a plan, determination, and daily practice. Believe in yourself. Every new word you learn is one step closer to fluency. Every sentence you speak makes you more confident. Every day you practice brings you closer to your goal. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new English lesson. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day and happy learning!